Okay, and now it's time to paint. I'm in my whole getup. So I always get very messy. I guess let's do it. I'm gonna try to show the angle of the painting a little bit closer than usual. So hopefully you can see the consistency better, because that's what I'm going for. Yeah.
And then the heat turned on and I had to strip down.
Waiting for my brain to work. Ready? Spread it out now. Oh, shit. I gotta put more clothes on, don't I? It's a little thin. It's a little too thin for my liking. I don't know. I'll have to see how this goes.
Now for my cell activators.
I got my Oxide black. I know I didn't show you guys me mixing this, but I just didn't have time because my daughter, anyways, didn't have time. Sorry you don't see me mixing this one, guys. I just didn't have time to do that video. But this is my Oxide black Amsterdam cell activator. So, mixed with Australian Floetrol. This is my titanium white Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol. Realizing those are in the shot as well. God damn it. I don't mean to be wearing these things. It's just like, oh, I have on hand. Okay. And then this is my concoction. My little bit of Amsterdam turquoise green. Oh, and then Artist Loft's aqua green. Mixed with American Floetrol and a little bit of this glue. I'll start with my turquoise, my Deco Art Extreme Sheens, like crazy ones. Is like just like background crap.
pretty good.
Now it's time to swipe.
Now the fun part. Let's get to swiping. Alright, let's see how we gonna do this. How we gonna do this? I'm just gonna do it. Buddy. That turned out well. That looks so dope. I'm so proud of myself. See, I'm such a mess. This way.
And now for the reveal. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just because of mainly that part right there with the pink and the green. I'm going to try it again. I want to clean it up a bit because I think I overspun, but turned out pretty cool, right? I mean, the colors are cool. I loved the combination and what happened with this swipe, which is my favorite. All right. I also did a mixing video for this one, so yeah, hope you liked it. Thanks.